Here today I have an unboxing of the Koogeek smart light bulb that's HomeKit compatible. This is their LB1 model. This model here, you're able to change the color of the bulb. As well as of course control it with Siri, seeing how it is HomeKit compatible. So inside the box we have the little instruction manual on how to get started with it, and then we do have the HomeKit code there. And then the HomeKit code is also in here. And then it is here as well. So they placed it in 3 places, which is pretty nice. Depending on where you install it, you might want to keep the one on the side here. That way you never lose it. But this is the bulb itself. It is pretty big. The construction of it, some type of plastic or heavy metal, but it feels solid. It's a solid bulb. You can take this off when you install it, of course. But let me show you the bulb compared to other LED light bulbs. So here we have the traditional LED bulb. So as you can see, it is quite a bit taller. It's a little skinnier, but it is taller. So you might want to consider that based on your application. And then here we have the other type of LED bulb, the clear filament type bulb. So these two are similar. And as you can see, it is a bit larger, so keep that in mind. So there it is, quick unboxing. I'll upload a video of the setup process as well.